Hello everyone, Tony Hart here. Today I'm excited to share our organization's 2025 Community Impact Recap. As a company, we believe that our work goes far beyond the roofs that we put on. It's about strengthening the communities that strengthen us. This year was filled with partnerships, projects, and acts of kindness that tell a bigger story of what it means to be a trusted neighbor within our communities. Let's start with youth sports, one of our favorite ways to give back throughout the year. This year, we invested over $40,000 into local little leagues and youth programming. We supported over 90 active sponsorships, helping teams with jerseys, banners, equipment, and more. But more than that, we showed up, building pride, teamwork, and connection in neighborhoods across the communities that we serve. Giving back takes a lot of different forms: financial support, partnerships, events, and even entertainment. In 2025, we contributed over $29,000 to local initiatives and organizations doing meaningful work within our communities. We also helped raise and donate over $10,000 to local nonprofits helping families and neighbors in need. And on a lighter note, we brought people together with over 10 community movie nights. These nights were filled with connection, laughter, and families spending time together within our communities. We donated more than $9,500 to breast cancer advocacy groups, helping fund patient support and vital programming. We also contributed over $5,000 in donations and sponsorships to help provide food and resources for animals in need. Our partnership with local humane societies grew in powerful ways this year. Together, we supported over 80 pet adoptions, helping animals find loving forever homes. And we helped distribute over 1,000 vaccinations, ensuring that pets across our community stay healthy and safe. When you add all this up, the numbers tell a story, but the heart behind them tells an even bigger one. Every dollar, every event, every volunteer hour represents generosity, teamwork, and the belief that we're stronger together. Within our organization, we don't just build roofs, we build relationships. Looking ahead, as we close out this 2025 year, we're filled with gratitude for our team, our partners, and everyone who has helped make these moments possible. In 2026, we're looking forward to new opportunities, continued impact, and the same commitment to going the extra degree when it comes to our communities. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us.